You won't believe the features Next Frontier Finance offers in 2026. Most people assume finance apps only track spending, but Next Frontier goes further. It combines budgeting, automated savings, and smart financial insights into one easy-use platform. The app allows you to set multiple financial goals, like paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Its algorithms automatically allocate funds based on your income and spending patterns, so you are saving consistently without thinking about it. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Next Frontier provides predictive alerts for bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses. The dashboard presents a clear overview of your finances, showing exactly where your money is going and how close you are to each goal. This makes it easy to spot opportunities to save more or adjust spending. Security is a major focus. Next Frontier uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All funds are FDIC insured, and support is available by chat or email if you run into any issues. The main limitation: Next Frontier Finance focuses primarily on personal finance and savings automation. It's not a full investment platform, but if your goal is to automate saving, gain control over spending, and track financial progress effortlessly, it's a strong choice. So, is Next Frontier Finance worth it in 2026? Absolutely. For anyone who wants a modern, secure, and automated way to manage money, this app delivers. Subscribe for more reviews on the best finance apps to grow and protect your wealth.